Hello fellow YouTubers, welcome to another beautiful day in the garden, November edition. It's nice and sunny, not a cloud in the sky. As you can see, everything's nice and green, growing really well. Oh, look at those new growths. You can see they're coming out green as emeralds. Hear the hard pack of the rain? That means it's going to be a good rain season ahead. Even that squirrel over there is getting a tan. Alright, enough of the sarcasm. It's currently -14. Snowing like crazy. You can see all the garden covered in snow. Big snowflakes. Whew. Snow globe effect. Feels like I'm in the middle of nowhere. Now the fog is encroaching. This will be a little cactus update. And garden. You can see all the cactus here are covered in snow. This probably isn't a bad thing. They experience this where they live naturally, so I brought everything that's not hardy inside. So we've got opuntias here. Whew, I'm starting to shiver, it's cold. Opuntias. Got some red flowering cactus. I don't know, variety. For some reason I'm hearing screaming in the background. That's kind of weird. Over here we got some chicks and hens. More opuntias. Oh, it's cold. Opuntias. There's some sempervivums over here. Some more red flowering cactus. More semps. More opuntias. And a few shoes with sempervivums in them. Squirrel put a piece of dried... What is with these squirrels? They just put dried persimmon in my shoe. Silly squirrels. Yeah, these are old shoes that don't fit. Put plants in them. I'm gonna go inside because it's freezing. Oh, thanks for watching. Get a full view over here. Whoo! Oh. It's not even winter officially yet, and we've got 10 centimeters of snow on the ground. Oh, thanks for watching.